let's get this bread. And we'll start with this little newer. Nobody knows how to pronounce the name. Nobody. I'm telling you. Literally nobody knows how to pronounce that name. Is it newer? Is it new year? Is it Noah? Nobody knows. We have our trusty CPU box opener. So, let's get this bread, I guess. Oh, that was satisfying. That was too satisfying, actually. That was like borderline creaming. What? Is that loud on YouTube? Borderline creaming satisfying. Let's just say it. Wine. So, this is relatively heavy, and it's a cool package though. Look at that. That was a little bag. Yeah, look at this. This is cool. Alright, so we have some very poggies items in here. We have power bricks. That's everything. That. Oh, I cannot see. Oh my gosh. Okay. So much RGB. Oh, that's super red. That's so red. We got red. And this goes like that. Where's my CPU box open again? It abandoned me already. Never mind. It's right there. Alright, let's see if we can get another satisfying one. Oh! Methinks this is another light, everybody. Let's just, okay, you know, I don't need to take that out. Let's just that. And then this is this. That doesn't have any, okay, cool. We don't have any delivery information on it. You guys won't dox me, right? Oh, hello there! If you thought that other light stand was beefy, holy look at this mother. Oh jeez, that is falling out of my hands. Holy sh. Whoa, this one's also springs. Damn. What have we got here? There be light. Yeah, that's right. You thought that was it? Joke's on you. I have a box opener CPU and I'm gonna use it. Oh yeah, babe. Look at this. Look at all these things. Thing from newer. Forgotten all of what these things are, except for a lightweight Mac box and ND filters and a monitor. A monitor, and we also have diffusion, a cable, power bank. This is Velcro. Another thing from newer. Another power bank. Another small rig thing. This is a 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 small rig thing. This is also a small rig thing. And then we have cables. CPU box opener. This is not very effective, but that's okay. Oh, I know what this is. It has a bunch of plastic bags, and I'm like, why is this a bunch of plastic bags? Sandbags for the light stands, because that's a big old freaking light, and these are sandbags. Sandbags are handy. That's rubbish. This is a thing. Oh wait, what's this one? Oh, clamps. 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 Clamp. Clap. I'm gonna love cleaning this up later. Big box. Oh! This is a bag for this. This is this. I'll let you all guess what the hell this thing is. We already know what these things are. What I'll do is I'll grab the last box. And everything will make sense. Sony. It was all a play. It was all just a phony as this and this Velcro make camera go brr. Wait, maybe not the Velcro. We have a battery. DaVinci Resolve 710 Studio. This is why I bought this camera. This camera. I have full DaVinci Resolve now. Yay! Oh my god. This is so freaking huge. Look how ginormous this thing is. It's so ginormous. Big ginormous. Headphones for reference. Big, ginormous. And look how tiny that little cute little sensor is. I'll show B-roll. So many flaps, so little time. I looked at reviews and people were like, flaps. And I was also like, flaps. Tape. Stop existing. Plastic bags can be dangerous. To avoid dangerous suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Cool, I'm gonna sit down now. Because sitting down, right? Even though standing up is a cool thing, sitting down is arguably exponentially better. There's so many buttons! External SSD holder! Alright, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool. Trust me, everybody. This is more related to tech. Because what this camera can do is, like, you know, the traditional camera can record to like an SD card and then maybe a CFast card and some other stuff. This can record straight to an SSD. So we have SSD holder and then we have SSD. This is a WD Blue 1TB NVMe SSD. And it goes very, very fast. And it's in a little Oracle enclosure. And then basically what happens is this thing has a little frickin' USB Type-C port on it. I really hope that if there's like warranty on these, they don't require the original packaging. That's a big old storm outside. Holy crap. And I wasn't actually paying attention to the time. Yeah. I know, holy shit. What the f is going on outside? Holy shit, there's like tree branches and shit flying everywhere outside. A bit loose, that's scaring me. Oh! Power shut off. Okay, on that note, I'm gonna stop recording now. Everyone, so it's day 2 of the mega ultra crazy cray unboxing of stuff. You disappeared into the pile of the abyss of just stuff. Also, look at this. That goes like that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Oh, there's my CD box opener. It's on the table. It's like one of those moments where it's like, where's my sunglasses? It's on your head. It's like, oh, haha. Now we have big old poles and stuff. There's one thing that I thought, I nearly just like went full on into my monitor just then. That would not have been very cool on you. Get your minds out of the gutter. Whee! Small rig. We got things. We got poles and rods. Look at these rods. We got rods.